Once you've downloaded the work structure, one of the first things you're going to need to decide is where are you going to put it. And that all depends on what type of environment you work in and how you are needing to distribute the work structure. If you're trying to put it on a network, the best way to put it on a network is to pick a drive letter. Although you can use a UNC path, there have been a few problems found with print organizer and trying to get it to uh, plot correctly when you use a UNC path. So it is suggested on a network to place it the uh, into like a drive letter. Now, one of the places that's fairly consistent and has been used for the previous AEC standards is a folder called TS underscore workspaces, and that makes it pretty consistent. What you don't want to do is bury it like 10 folders deep, because it does get a little long in the tooth for some of the file names and folder locations, so the configurations sometimes cause issue if you go too far. If you're working in project-wise, the best location probably if you're using the PCM is in the standards TS workspaces folder. If you place it in standards TS workspaces, it should be fairly consistent across all districts or users in that same location. If you don't use the project-wise collaboration model, then you can pick any place and put it there. The key piece to it is just that USTN site needs to be set correctly. Beyond that, it doesn't really matter. I mean, even if you're working on working on the road, you can copy it to your local hard drive. It's not very big. It's just the key pieces is making sure you install it correctly by setting underscore USTN site variable correctly.